Can I make this budget stretch another month while rebuilding my finances? Let's create my August monthly budget and give every dollar a purpose.
Stack that cash, let your savings rise. Budget goals and dream filled skies. Can it, track it, we're on the right road. Turn those pennies into a treasure load. Save a little, trusting God. Join the Sassy Scribble Squad.
Hey, Sassy Scribble Squad. I'm Patricia, and welcome back to Sassy Scribbles Co. I'm documenting my real journey from eviction to financial freedom, one budget at a time. If you're trying to take control of your money, rebuild after a setback, or simply need some encouragement, I'm so glad you're here. Now let's jump in today's video. Okay, so this month's quote is spend with intention, save with vision. You guys, this fits perfectly with my new month because my goals is to have a 90-day spiritual financial fasting, and I have a no spend plan for 3 months starting August. So August, September, and October. And I'm going to spend with intention, save with the vision. I'm trying to see how much money I will be able to save in these 3 months. I want to be more financially fit and steward my money as God sees fit. Okay, so today we are creating my August monthly budget. I'll walk you through exactly how I'm planning my money this month, where every dollar is going, and the goals I'm working toward as I continue rebuilding my finances. If you're rebuilding alongside me, go ahead and grab your planner and let's get started. Okay, so today this is my new monthly planner tracker. I cannot speak this morning. Okay, you guys. And so if you would like this will be in my pay hip shop. And the link is always in my description at sassyscribblesco.com. Okay, so we are going to get started with first my income, hubby's income. You know, I had did a whole video. It was like 17 minutes. And at the end, I noticed that I messed up because I was like, why is it negative like $600? But then I realized the mess up. So now I have to do a new video. And I'm glad I am because I get to use my new budget planner that I created. I changed it a little. Okay, so both incomes is going to be 1,400. That so just add that up. It's 28, but you know, plus 1,400, 2,800. Oh, and so what I messed up on is because for this month we are trying to save as much as we can, and with us able to pay rent from the 1st through the 5th. Since September, we get paid on the 4th, so we're going to use that as the rent. So this month is going to be just like our regular bills and a lot of cash stuff. And you guys, this is the month where we get to jump ahead and just save as much as we can. You know, that has always been the goal. Okay, so the first one is going to be phones, and that is $85. Okay, so Microsoft, that is $10. I hope you guys can see this, and I have to turn like sideways, all right? Marika is $10. Electric who is 120. Google One is going to be $10. Internet is 98. Car insurance, that is going to be 136. We have Google One again. We have Google One because I have a couple Google websites, and it's for storage. This one is $10. Car, 315. We have a Google One again. That is $3. Let's see, subscription is $20. Canva is 15. Whoop, Canva, $15. I have a couple of doctor appointments, and each one of my appointments is $45. So it's going to be a total of 135. Meds, 25. Food for the month, I'm going to try to keep it at 150. Laundry is going to be $50. Household items is going to be 40. And I'm almost out of all household items. So yes, we need to spend about that much. Gas is going to be 75. Hubby, 50, and myself, 50. Okay, so here's where the good part comes along. Saving. But for the account, for this, we're going to do just 80 in the accounts, because for sinking funds, which is, I'm going to put cash stuffing, and then saving challenges. Okay, so this is where we're going to use the most amount of money for this month. As I said earlier, to be able to save. So the total is going to be 600. So let's do this. We're going to do 200 for cash stuffing and 4 for the savings challenges. If I need to change that, I will. That we're going to into our credit, where collections and pay 65, and then we have another that is going to be 140. And on this one is mine, and then this one right here is both of me and my husband's. Okay, so let's see what this do. 2,800. Oh, you know what? Let me go ahead and put that here. See, I did the first video and it was so chatty and talkative, but after like doing it again, it's like, let me go ahead and add this up. Okay, so for expenses, 85 plus 10 plus 10 plus 120 plus 10 plus 98. Did I do a plus for that? Plus 36 plus 10 plus 315 plus 3 plus 20 plus 15 plus 135 plus 25 plus 150 plus 50 plus 40 plus 75 plus 100. Okay, that's 1407. You guys, this is the first month of August. We almost are is at the end of the year. I want to wish you all a happy August and new beginnings. So if you're like me and had like a hard time in the beginning, this is where you excel at the end. We have a couple of more months and we can do this. Okay, savings total is going to be 80. Sinking funds, that is 200 plus 400. Even though I know what that is, I just like to always add it on the calculator. I started to say how we used to say it in school, calculator. Okay, and so the debt is 65 plus 140. That's 205. To the person that asked me to do a video on the eviction, that is coming up. I'm so sorry. I work like a 9 to 5, and then I'm trying to get my shop together, and then these videos. But I will have that coming soon. I haven't forgot about you. And that is a story that I do need to tell. Um, and at first I said it was triggering, but it's not going to be, because if I can help someone, it doesn't matter. Okay, and so the debt 205. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and tally this up. 2,800 minus 1,407 minus 80 minus 600 minus 205 equals, you see that it's saying $508. And this is where I want to leave it, because I know there's some other things that is going on, and I didn't know whether I would do it, you know what I'm saying, get it, or leave an amount so we could save extra, or either pay extra in debt. So we're going to see. But right now it's showing that. So right now this is not a zero-based budget, because as you see, it shows that we have $508 left. That is intentionally for this month. But at the end, when I close out my budget, you will see that it's going to be a zero, because we are going to give this a place. I'm just not sure where I want to put it yet. All right. So thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Sassy Scribble Squad. Remember, no matter where you're starting, every budget, every prayer, and every small step matters. Until next time, keep moving from surviving to thriving, one prayer, one plan, one budget at a time.